Hello there. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you if clauses, also called C clauses. So lesson objectives are to learn what a C clause is, to learn when you would use it, and to learn what tenses you would use with the C clauses. So C clauses are used to talk about events that do happen and those that could happen under certain circumstances. In each of these cases, the tenses that can be used varies. So let's look at C clauses with routine events. So when referring to events that happen habitually in the present, we use the present tense in both clauses. So when I have time, I work out. If I have time, I work out. Right? We're just going to conjugate these verbs here in the present tense. Si tengo tiempo, hago ejercicio. When the weather is nice, hacer buen tiempo, I go to the lake. Ir. Right? So we just conjugate these verbs here in the present tense. Si hace buen tiempo, voy al lago. When I need some rest, I take a trip. The verb is necesitar and tomar. Add that here. So, si necesito un descanso, tomo un viaje. They clean the house if it is dirty. They clean the house, limpiar, if it is dirty, estar. Limpian la casa si está sucia. Now let's look at C clauses with likely events. So these are routine events, and now these are events that can happen. When referring to events that are likely to happen, we use the present in the C clause and the future, near future construction in the then clause. So if I have time, I'm going to work out. Si tengo tiempo, voy a hacer or haré ejercicio. If the weather is nice, I will go to the lake. Si hace buen tiempo, iré al lago. If I need some rest, I'm going to take a trip. Si necesito un descanso, voy a tomar un viaje. And they will clean the house if it is dirty. Limpiarán la casa si está sucia. Okay, so you notice you're using the future or the near future construction, and then you're just using the present tense. C clauses. Now, this is for unlikely events. With events that are not likely to happen but are still remotely possible, we use the conditional and the imperfect subjunctive tenses in the sentence. Use the imperfect subjunctive in the C clause and the conditional in the then clause. So if I had time, I would work out. All right, so this is remotely possible. We're going to use the imperfect subjunctive here, and we're going to use the conditional here. Si tuviera tiempo, haría ejercicio. If the weather were nice, I would go to the lake. Si hiciera buen tiempo, iría al lago. If I needed some rest, I would take a trip. Si necesitara un descanso, tomaría un viaje. And they would clean the house if it were dirty. Limpiarían la casa si estuviera sucia. All right. So that is it for if clauses.